Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to change your country in Amazon app. Firstly, launch the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the U tab, which looks like a person icon at the bottom of the screen. Look for the flag icon at the top right corner of the screen, tap it, then select country or region. From the list, choose the new country you want to switch to. Now go to the language tab to change the app's display language. And if a currency option is available, select your preferred one and tap Done. Your app will refresh automatically. Your app may now show new deals, featured products, and local shipping options based on your selected country. If the app switches to a language you don't understand, just repeat the steps above and change it back. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.